Which city serves as the capital of Azerbaijan? Baku, Nassau, Lusaka, Luanda. The correct answer is Baku. A prime number is a number greater than 1 that is divisible only by 1 and itself. What is the next prime number after 23? 29, 31, 37, 39. The correct answer is 29. The Old Man of the Sea is a nickname for which marine animal? Sea otter, octopus, dolphin, turtle. The correct answer is sea otter. The martial art Mu Lao originated in which country? Laos, Liberia, Lebanon, Thailand. The correct answer is Laos. What is a group of kittens called? A kindle, a dropping, an aurora, a wisdom. The correct answer is a kindle. On the human body, where is the area known as the T-zone? Arms and shoulders, forehead, nose, and chin, neck and jawline, cheeks and temples. The correct answer is forehead, nose, and chin. Sternutation is the scientific term for what? Yawn, sneeze, hiccup, cough. The correct answer is sneeze. The 1849 gold rush took place in which U.S. state? Alaska, Nevada, California, Colorado. The correct answer is California. What type of animal is Arthur, the beloved cartoon character? Rabbit, bear, aardvark, mouse. The correct answer is aardvark. Which U.S. state was once an independent nation before joining the Union in 1845? California, Florida, Texas, Louisiana. The correct answer is Texas. Who was the longest reigning monarch in British history as of 2025? Queen Victoria, King George III, Queen Elizabeth I, Queen Elizabeth II. The correct answer is Queen Elizabeth II. In which famous opera does a party at Flora's house take place? Carmen, The Magic Flute, Tosca, La Traviata. The correct answer is La Traviata. What is the world's highest capital city by elevation? Quito, Ecuador, Kathmandu, Nepal, Thimphu, Bhutan, La Paz, Bolivia. The correct answer is La Paz, Bolivia. What narrow strait separates the continents of Europe and Africa at Spain and Morocco? Bosporus Strait, English Channel, Bering Strait, Strait of Gibraltar. The correct answer is Strait of Gibraltar. How many keys can you find on a traditional full-sized piano? 76, 88, 92, 100. The correct answer is 88.